Selamat pagi. Hello. Oh, must be Billy Goat. Hello.
Polaroid?
No, half camera. Well, just one railing. Watch your step. Have to stop what? It's fine here. It's not uphill, not downhill. It's very slow. Well, this might be a good picture. With movie cameras, you want something moving, or it's not a good picture. You need a camera to take that. That's not so easy. Here we go. Steve. Hey, Josie. Hey, Mama. Hey, Mary. Yeah, Mary. Yeah, there's a Mary. Hi. What's he say? Hey, Hendra. Hendra. Hendra.
Oh.
It's going to make you very young, huh? Now what will this do? What will this do now?
What?
What's this do?
Make you young and long life.
Young and long life. You only have to wash your hands?
Yeah, just
That's all?
I think it's because this is still,
Careful.
the water's still very honey.
Yeah?
Yeah, that's what makes me young. It's not contaminated here.
You got a flower? You got so many flowers, Mary, huh?
I don't know what to do.
The paper that my friend gave me.
Oh, I don't know.
You flower child? Huh?
I gave it to you. Daddy, look it.
Tell me about the magic bird, Mama. What about, did you catch the magic bird? Where's it from?
It's from Laos. It's a magic bird from the Laos.
Yeah?
Yeah. And if you catch it, and then the bird licks you, and then you cannot be healed.
You cannot be healed if he licks you?
Yeah.
Your arm get numb?
No, I don't know. It's just I don't know what he said.
It's from what mountain? Huh?
Laos.
Lawu? Big mountain?
Terus itu kalau perkututnya itu kalau cuma suka jilat-jilat gitu ya Pak?
Enggak, istilahnya seandainya diambil, orangnya langsung kena ludah, enggak bisa ditumbuhkan lagi.
The saliva, just the saliva.
The saliva.
Yeah, saliva.
Jadi masih selamat juga.
So must be contain something, poison something.
I don't know. Why is it magic bird? Why does somebody want to catch it? Does it do some magic? What?
Kenapa kok orang suka ambil itu Pak?
Soalnya seandainya mengambil itu kan juga termasuk burung langkanya, langka.
Oh, it's rare, but
Oh, because it's rare? That's pretty song.
yeah, it's cool.
Ya lebih jelas untuk mengambil.
Oh, it's very pretty here.
Dari sini, nah, itu kelihatan lemah itu. Sini kan guys. Dari sini macam.
What is the name of this waterfall?
Semi.
Matasumi?
Ya.
Ah.
Come for that.
Yeah.
Just go up.
And you have only one leg?